Welcome to Uncle Scott's Kitchen. Here is how to make double bypass sausage gravy. It's easy and delicious, and we promise we won't tell your cardiologist. Start with a pound of breakfast sausage. I like Jimmy Dean hot for a little extra spice, but any will do. Crumble that sausage up into a skillet and begin browning it at medium to medium-high heat. Now here, I'd use just about any pan or skillet except for a non-stick, because we actually want a few sticky bits to develop on the bottom of the pan to flavor the gravy. So stainless steel, cast iron, carbon steel, even an enameled Dutch oven will do just fine. While that sausage browns, let's look at the other ingredients. We'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups or so of cold milk, and for equipment, we'll just need a whisk. Now, we might not use all that flour and milk, but we need to have it ready just in case. Now, back to the sausage. When it is browned, remove it from the skillet and reduce the heat. Notice the nice sticky bits left over on the bottom of the pan, just what we want. Now, back in the day, pigs were fat and sausage used to have lots of grease. These days, pork is much leaner, which makes us feel healthier in the grocery store when we buy it. But now at home, when we cook it, we actually have to add back some extra fat, which I'm sure makes sense to someone somewhere, but I kind of miss the days of old fat pigs. So in goes some butter. I'm adding maybe 2 tablespoons here. I let that melt and heat it until it stops bubbling, which means that the water has evaporated out of the butter and we're left with a nice butter fat. In goes the flour. Start whisking here. We want to let the flour kind of toast and cook just a little, let it get a little golden color. You might notice a nice toasty scent, but don't let it get too dark. Maybe 45 seconds to a minute or so of cooking here. Then start adding your milk little by little and keep whisking. Add a little bit more and keep stirring. Now the whisking here gets rid of lumps and makes the gravy smoother. And as a bonus, it kind of helps with deglazing and removing some of those sticky bits from the bottom of the pan. Keep adding milk and stirring. Bring this up to heat. Now the gravy is going to be thinner at first, but as you bring it up to heat and let it simmer, it's going to thicken. And here you can add more or less milk as you see fit, depending on how thick you like your final gravy. Now simply just add back in the sausage, add black pepper to taste, make sure everything is well heated and combined, then slather it all over a biscuit and devour. Absolutely delicious. Now if you need me, I'll be laying on the couch for the rest of the day, but if you enjoyed this video and recipe, please subscribe to the old channel here. And for lots more fun, delicious food and great kitchen gear reviews, make sure to check out Uncle Scott's Kitchen here on YouTube or visit UncleScottsKitchen.com. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.